People love personalized astrology reports, something they can keep, read, and share. But most platforms either don't offer them, or the ones that do, well, let's just say they're not built for your brand. You've seen them. Old school PDFs with no customization, no polish, and no real value to your business. And integrating them into your site, often impossible. With Divine API's white label PDF solution, you can deliver professionally designed astrology reports, branded as your own. Each report is generated through our easy-to-use API, instantly, beautifully, and under your brand. Let's talk about what you can actually offer. Under Western astrology, we have beautifully written reports like Cosmic Connections and Astro Love Insights, perfect for couples exploring their emotional chemistry. And for soul-level alignment, there's the Soul Sync Report and Celestial Union, offering deep compatibility guidance. In numerology, your users can explore their path with unique reports like Yearly Prediction, 3, 5, or even 9 years. Or themed experiences like Queen of Hearts, Boss Lady's Blueprint, and Life Path Legend, each one packed with personalized number-based insights. And for those seeking traditional depth, our Vedic astrology range includes Kundli and Kundli matching PDFs in 3 different unique versions for full birth chart analysis. There's even government job reports, foreign travel and settlement, and others built for career and life decisions rooted in Vedic calculations. Each report is designed to feel premium, informative, and entirely yours, with your logo, theme, footer, and colors. It's a real-time API integration designed for developers and creators. Plug it into your website, CRM, checkout flow, or mobile app, and start delivering reports instantly. You can use it to grow your mailing list or sell reports directly to your audience for a great profit margin. Hundreds of platforms are doing it, and now so can you. So whether you're an astrologer, a digital entrepreneur, or a product builder, Divine API helps you offer premium white label reports that scale with your brand. Start your free trial today.